In this video, learn how to set up your 4D screen mirror and Lightstrip kit. First things first, wipe down and clean your TV or monitor to make sure any adhesives you place stick better. Before mounting anything, consider using the optional corner brackets if you want a guide for placing your Lightstrip. Take your Lightstrip, remove the adhesive, and begin placing it onto the back side of your TV or monitor. Once you finish applying the Lightstrip, if you find that it's too long, you can cut the remaining length off, and thanks to Nanoleaf's Smart Remap, lighting effects will remap to the trimmed length. If you want to mount your 4D camera above your TV or monitor, place the included mount onto the top of your display, and then insert the camera, removing the privacy cover when you want 4D to be in use. For mounting below, use the camera alone with the attached stand to angle the 4D camera properly. You can use the extra adhesive tape that comes in your 4D kit's box to more securely mount the camera using this method. Plug in all cables into the 4D controller. One for the camera, one for the Lightstrip, and one for the power supply. Your Lightstrip will flash, and the controller will begin to light up. Before pairing and further setup, make sure your smartphone is up to date. Have your QR code or 8-digit manual input code ready. Connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and wait for the LED lights on the controller to be solid white. In the Nanoleaf app, tap the pencil icon in the top right, and then tap Add a Device. Under the Decor tab, select Pair underneath Nanoleaf 4D. From here, you can choose to scan the QR code or input the 8-digit code manually. On iOS, follow the instructions to pair 4D with Apple Home, add it to a room, and give your device a name. On Android, the process is similar. Scan the QR code or manually input the 8-digit code, and then follow the Wi-Fi connection instructions, selecting a room and naming your device after. Once you're all connected, move on to calibrating the 4D camera. Indicate whether you have the camera placed above or below the TV. In this video, we'll be doing the setup with the camera above. Next, you'll identify the location of the corners on the Lightstrip to ensure screen mirroring accuracy. Tap a corner, and you'll see that you might have to move the current location of the light to the corner you selected. Move the dial until the light is in the correct spot. Then, tap the next corner you want to calibrate, and repeat until finished. Once you finish calibrating the corners, you'll need to calibrate the camera. Drag the points on screen to outline your TV. You can refresh if the camera doesn't appear or if you decide to move the camera, and you can also go full screen to finesse your calibration points in finer detail. After you finish calibrating the screen, tap Confirm, and voila, you're all set up with 4D.